we focus on the risks that happens here in St. Maarten, as the fire department is responsible for prevention of and damage to property, and also injuries and even prevent death. We look at the risk, what can happen to the people of St. Maarten. So it's not an off-the-shelf program. This year's theme is keeping our loved ones safe, because that's what it's all about. Once we take responsibility for our loved ones, in that way we prevent what we discussed just now, loss of and injuries. Well, the statistics show that home fires are mainly caused by either overloaded outlets, malfunctioning equipment like a fan that does not spin anymore, but it remains plugged in, overheats and starts a fire. Same thing goes for air conditioning. So it's mainly unattended equipment that's left unattended, and in some occasions even fires like stoves that are left unattended. So that's why we focus during Prevention Week and in general on educating the public to know your risks, know the sources that could cause a fire, and tend to them. Don't leave them unattended.
Yes, I would like to add to that. From past experience as a firefighter, we will tend to see with the religion aspect of burning candles for All Saints Days and those things. We used to see a lot of fires. People will leave the candles burning, and then that tends to ignite a fire in the homes. But as we go along, we see the homes are really built stronger today, and we don't get much of those types of fires. So somehow the people, over the years, things have been getting better. Well, we've seen, instead of a lot of wooden structures, we've seen a lot of concrete structures going up. Or instead of the T111, we've seen cement board. So that will keep the fire more, say, if we do get a fire, it won't spread so rapidly like how it used to before with the T111 houses. That is what we see.